Upbeat music plays. The screen fades in with the Buy Smart logo. Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter purchases, one product comparison at a time. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras. On my left, we have the Sony ILME-FX3, also known as the Cinematic Beast, and on my right, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, or as I like to call it, the Fast and the Furiously Good. Grab your popcorn because we're about to find out which of these bad boys deserves a spot in your camera bag. Spoiler alert, both are awesome, but one might just steal your heart and your wallet. First up, let's talk about the price. The FX3 is going to set you back about $3,899, while the R6 Mark II is a little more wallet-friendly at $3,599. Reviewers have found the R6 Mark II to be a great value for its performance, especially for wedding photography, which might justify the slightly lower price. If you're on a budget, you might want to buy the R6 Mark II and use the leftover cash for, I don't know, a lifetime supply of avocado toast? Now, let's get into image quality. The FX3 boasts a 4K full-frame sensor with a dynamic range that can make even the dullest family reunion look like a Hollywood blockbuster. Reviewers rave about the F.X3's exceptional low-light performance and picture quality straight out of the camera. Meanwhile, the R6 Mark II comes with a 24.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, which means your selfies will be so sharp you'll see every pore. Users have praised the R6 Mark II for its impressive image quality and stabilization, making it a favorite for capturing unforgettable moments. Just remember, folks, filters exist for a reason. Let's roll into video capabilities. The FX3 can shoot up to 4K 120p in 10-bit 4:2:2. Users have described this as having a superpower for filmmakers, allowing them to create stunning slow-motion effects. On the other hand, the R6 Mark II also offers high-speed continuous shooting of up to 40 FPS with the electronic shutter. Reviewers appreciate its performance for fast-moving subjects, making it perfect for capturing everything from wildlife to birthday cakes. Just remember to have a good therapist on speed dial for those cake-related traumas. Next up is autofocus. The F.X3 has some serious autofocus skills, but the R6 Mark II takes it up a notch with its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 covering 100% of the frame. Reviewers have highlighted the R6 Mark II's fast autofocus as a game-changer, especially in wedding photography. That's right, folks, it's so good it could probably track your spouse when they're trying to sneak out for a midnight snack. Now, let's talk about design. The F.X3 is compact and cage-free, which means it's perfect for those of us who hate assembling IKEA furniture. Reviewers love its durable build quality and user-friendly features. Meanwhile, the R6 Mark II is built like a tank. Users have reported it's durable and dependable, making it a favorite among photographers for capturing unforgettable moments. You could probably drop it, and it would still work. Just don't try that with your mother-in-law's heirloom china. Both cameras have received high praise from users, but they cater to slightly different needs. The FX3 is particularly favored by videographers for its cinematic capabilities and low-light performance, while the R6 Mark II is lauded for its speed, reliability, and excellent autofocus, making it a top choice for photographers. So there you have it, folks. The Sony ILME-FX3 gives you cinematic flair, while the Canon EOS R6 Mark II delivers speed and versatility. Which one will you choose? Are you Team FX3, the cinematic beast, or Team R6 Mark II, the speedster? Comment below and let us know. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome comparisons, and remember, whether you're filming a blockbuster or just your cat being adorable, always buy smart. And seriously, don't forget the avocado toast.